Welcome to Technique 3, Few-Shot Learning Instructions. This is the third and final advanced technique in this module. Few-Shot Learning focuses on creating standardized responses and consistent formatting across teams. Instead of describing what you want in words, you teach the AI by showing specific examples of desired inputs and outputs. The AI learns the patterns from your examples and replicates them for new situations. This technique is essential for organizations that need consistent quality and approach while scaling their operations. Let's explore how few-shot learning works and when it delivers the most value. Few-shot learning is for standardized responses and consistent formatting. The diagram shows how it works. You provide the AI with specific examples of desired inputs and outputs, then ask it to follow the same pattern for new inputs. The business benefit is consistency and predictability. Your outputs match organizational standards and formats automatically. Instead of hoping everyone interprets written guidelines the same way, you provide concrete examples that demonstrate exactly what good looks like. This creates consistency across team members, across time, and at scale. Let's look at a real business example, creating consistent customer support responses. This is a perfect scenario for few-shot learning. The challenge is common: 10 support reps producing 10 different response styles. Inconsistent format makes tracking difficult. New reps struggle to match quality standards. And there are no consistent escalation criteria. Without standardization, quality varies, training is inefficient, and scaling is problematic. Few-shot learning solves this by providing concrete examples that everyone can follow. Here's example 1, showing the response format for a standard support issue. The ticket says, "My password isn't working." The response follows a specific structure. A friendly greeting, "Hi, I understand you're having password issues. Clear action taken. I've reset your password and sent new login details to your email. Timeline provided. Please try logging in within 24 hours. And then structured metadata. Resolution is password reset. Priority is standard. Escalate, no. This example teaches the AI both the format and the criteria for standard priority classification. Example 2 shows how to handle a high priority escalated issue. The ticket says the system is completely down. Notice the same structural format but with adjusted urgency. "Hi, I see you're experiencing a system outage," acknowledges severity. "Our technical team is investigating this high priority issue," shows escalation. "Timeline is faster. I'll update you within 2 hours." And the metadata reflects urgency. Resolution is escalated to tech team. Priority is high. Escalate, yes. By showing both standard and high priority examples, the AI learns when to escalate and how tone adjusts while maintaining professionalism. Now you complete the prompt with a new ticket. "I can't access my account and have an important presentation today." The AI has learned from the 2 examples: the response structure, tone range, priority classification, and escalation criteria. It analyzes this new ticket. It's an individual issue, not system-wide, but time-sensitive. The AI produces a response following the exact format from the examples, with appropriate priority and escalation based on the learned patterns. Few-shot learning teaches both explicit structure, the format, and implicit judgment. When to escalate, what tone to use, how to prioritize. Where else should you apply few-shot learning? In customer support, use it for ticket responses and FAQ answers. The value is consistent service quality and brand voice maintenance across all reps. In sales communications, apply it to proposal responses and follow-up emails. You get professional consistency and proven messaging that drives results. Both domains require consistency across multiple team members, scalable quality as teams grow, and brand voice maintenance in customer-facing communications. Few-shot learning also excels in content creation and documentation. For content creation, use it for social media posts and marketing copy. You get brand voice adherence and format standardization across all channels. In documentation, apply it to process descriptions and policy updates. The value is organizational consistency and maintained quality standards. Both domains require brand or organizational voice consistency, format standardization, and quality that scales across multiple contributors. Examples teach better than written guidelines for these applications. So when should you use few-shot learning? Use it for tasks requiring consistent format, standardized tone and approach, brand voice maintenance, and scalable quality as teams grow. Ask yourself, do we need everyone producing the same type of output to follow the same format and approach? If yes, few-shot learning is your technique. It's particularly valuable for organizations scaling their operations while maintaining consistent quality. You've now mastered all 3 advanced techniques. Next, we'll consolidate everything in our module summary.